to go off, I think I found one. Oh no, we're legendary. Been around my bed. Popping champagne on the jet, think I've been wildin'. You're wildin'. Bottle, I just drank a gallon. Yeah.
Alright, what's up? We're in the garage right now, draining the oil on the RMZ. We're gonna do an oil change along with the oil filter. Brady's here. Crack that open. And for some reason it's running fine now. So I'm not really sure what that's all about, but it runs good. Time to go for a ride. Alright, so we just drained the oil. We're gonna change the oil filter now. And, well, I don't know, should we? We should at least check it, right?
Yeah.
We should at least check it. I have one in my bag. Yep. I got my oil here. 10W40 synthetic blend. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to use full synthetic. There we go.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm just getting the oil filter a little wet. Make sure she's
That's
lubricated and she's gonna do her job. So now, over here, plop her in. And then I gotta get my tap. This is our device that we came up with for filling up how much oil we need. So as you can see right here, it takes 1100 milliliters. And one of these water bottles is 500 milliliters. So we filled it up, we took in another measuring cup, water with 500 milliliters, poured it in here. This is 500 milliliters right here. And then this is 100 milliliters. So all we need is 2 of these full of oil plus 1 of these full of oil. And that will get us to exactly where we need to be.
Oh, we are killing the game today.
Alright.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
What?
You're not just pouring it in there.
Oh yeah! What happened?
Alright, the mandatory startup afterwards. Beautiful.